Guys and world, welcome back to the Mosley channel. Today we at Lopez doing this little takedown for the county in front of the school. We're gonna get everything rolling. I need to get my hard hat on. Anyway, go ahead. We got the safety set up. Yo, look at that sign. That's not good. Put the other sign there. Anyway, got the safety set up. Everybody flashes up, get ready. I gotta get them to correct that. I don't like that. Drop zone cone. Gonna get this bit done fast. Oh yeah. Oh, y'all gotta check it out, boy. Plumbers over there by Self in the Walmart. Yes, sir. Gotta get this done. Friday.